Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Karcher K4 pressure washer. First, carefully unpack all the parts and check them against your packing list to ensure everything is present. Next, attach the two wheels by lining them up and securing them with one screw each. Then, install the stand and the storage holder for your spray lances. Finally, secure the transport handle to the main unit and screw the water connection coupling onto the water inlet. These initial steps are quick and easy, getting you ready for the next stage. Now, let's get your Karcher K4 connected. First, attach your garden hose to the water inlet coupling on the pressure washer. Make sure the water tap is fully open to provide a consistent water supply. Next, plug the power cable into a properly earthed electrical socket. If you are using an extension cable, always uncoil it completely to prevent overheating. Remember, never use a hose coupling with Aquastop directly on the machine's water connection, as this can damage the pump. A steady water and power supply are key for safe operation. With water and power ready, it's time to prepare your cleaning accessories. First, insert the high-pressure hose into the trigger gun until you hear an audible click, confirming it's secure. Then, attach your preferred spray lance, like the Vario Power or Dirt Blaster, to the trigger gun by pushing it in and twisting it 90 degrees. If you're using detergent, simply insert a Karcher plug and clean bottle upside down into its slot on the machine. Remember to set your spray lance to the mix setting to draw the detergent effectively. Before you start cleaning, let's ensure a smooth and safe first use. Turn on the pressure washer, and without a lance attached, squeeze the trigger gun for up to 2 minutes to purge any air from the system until water flows steadily. Release the trigger, then engage the safety lock. Always wear safety goggles and protective clothing. Crucially, never aim the high-pressure jet at people, animals, or live electrical equipment. When cleaning painted surfaces, maintain a minimum distance of 30 centimeters to prevent damage. Enjoy your powerful cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.